Okay, quick tutorial of a GR 1000XL-4 basic setup. Now, this is your swing, this is your auxiliary, this is your main block, it's on the right side, this is your boom, it's to boom up or boom down. These are your pedals, this is for you to accelerate. Also RPM, so when you're making your swing or doing any operation, this is what you press. This is your brakes, this is your boom up or boom down, these levers. This one here on your far left, as you can see, this will help you to scope in if you press in, and you can scope out when you press that. So remember, far left, it's your scope in, scope out. One half next to that is going to be your boom up, boom down. This is your PTO. This needs to be engaged once you put this machine on. But I'm taking it off because if I leave it on and put this machine on, once I turn that key, it's going to make a lot of noise. So this switch here, keep in mind, this switch here, if you activate this switch and you put it on, it's going to allow you to push your beam out, push your scope out with this, and you could bring it in with this. Now you can do the same thing with this, but once you push that switch, it's going to allow you to do that with the lever. I guess there's a little perks, but you still got a cable down and all of that nonsense. But yeah, air condition, and it's for your window to roll that down. This is your drive mode, slow. If you're going uphill, you want a four-wheel drive here, but slow going uphill. You push it forward, four-wheel drive. If you put it in neutral, which is just to the center, you're going to be in two-wheel drive. These are your driving modes. That is emergency stop. This here, very important, that's your park. You need to have that in park at all times, because when you look over here, this is the driving features. These are your transmission. You have reverse, neutral, drive, 2 and 1. Once you're taking off or you're pulling off, you want to have that in one. That is drive mode. You know, once you drive, you want to accelerate a little faster, you can push that once you're in drive mode. That is your center of gravity right there, and leveling your crane. Like I said, this is the GR 1000XL. So let's do this. That switch here is if you want to override your block. Push that in and hold it. You can override and cable all up. So yeah, so I put this on, everything is gonna light up and we're gonna take it from there. You wanna wait till you get that beeping song on your Tadano screen, the computer. Yes, then we move forward. It's all on. So yeah, so because it's in the PTO is off, I'm gonna get all the cameras on. That is your rear camera and your front camera. Front camera is to the left, rear camera is to the right. As I gauges, it's pretty simple. Your gas is on your, diesel is on your right, your RPMs is on your left, is up on top. You can see that once I accelerate, you're going to see that on top. Oil, heat, all that, you'll see that over there. Now what I'm going to show you here with these buttons, these are your outriggers. If you want to pull in your outriggers and take it off of the legs, you press that and you press whatever you want. It's gonna beep if you don't use this here, if you want to scope in your outriggers, bring it in. This is what you press, that and that. You see the arrows, just simple follow instruction, and you press each one of these here and it will come in. So like I'm not using that right now, so that is off. I'm already set up outside on outriggers. As you can see, I'm in a level state. Up here, this here is going to be able to tilt your cab. This is going to be your stop. This is going to be if you taking off your counterweights, but I'm not doing that, so that's off. This is going to state if you have a jib mounted, that's going to be mounted. As you can see, mounted. Rabbit mode for both reels, on and off for your wipers. This is if you're using individual. You need to adjust or change or fix any of your boom sections. So I'm gonna turn this PTO on. Once I turn that PTO on, it's gonna make a bunch of noise, but we're gonna do a setup. In order to eliminate that, you come here, you press on this icon. Once you press on that icon, you go to the counterweights. Counterweight is there. You see it, 20,000 pounds. Keep. You press OK. That's your first step. Then you go to outriggers. You confirm that you are on outriggers, because right now it's showing in drive mode. I'm just going to confirm that. It eliminates it, then the noise disappears. After that, you can go up here on your right here, right there. You can choose what you're going to be using. I'm going to be using a whip line today, so I confirm that. So this is going to change. The computer calculates what it is you're using, so you see it's bound to 14. This would be your strongest boom. This would be your extensions for your third, fourth, and fifth sections. Second, third, fourth sections. Those sections will come out first. You confirm that, and if you want to go on the hook, this could stay as is, because I'm on reel 1 is my main boom, reel 2 is my auxiliary ball, so that is one part of line, main block. I got 4 parts of line, and that is confirmed with that. Over here, this would be your swing brake. It's going to be on your right side. It's going to be a swing lock. You can lock your cab when you swing around into center space, whether it be front to back. You can engage by pushing it to the left, pushing it down, and finding that sweet spot at 0 or 1%. This would be a little remote control that you can use if you laid back and you want to use the computer. You're going to see that icon right there. Yeah, it's moving around. Yeah, and you can confirm it with that. That's basically that. If you want to deactivate stuff, take that off. There's a clip right there, so just in case you don't do some dumb shit, and you take this off, and it goes